Have you ever heard of a private city built across 2,000 acres of parkland? Most people haven't. Yet, right here in Johannesburg, South Africa, you'll find one of the most remarkable lifestyle states. This is Steyn City, ranked among the top lifestyle states in the world. Steyn City combines luxury residences, a championship golf course, a 300-meter crystal lagoon, a AAA great business district, a world-class school, equestrian facilities, restaurants, wellness centers, and over 95 kilometers of running, cycling, and outdoor trails. And perhaps the most remarkable part, it's all located behind one parameter. Steyn City has also hosted major international sporting events, including DP World Tour, Sunshine Tour tournaments, and Live Golf South Africa placed the estate firmly on the global stage. Imagine waking up in your apartment, taking your children to school without leaving the estate, spending the morning at a business meeting, enjoying lunch beside a lagoon, and finishing the day off on a Nicklaus-designed championship golf course. It's a fully integrated private city designed for people who value security, lifestyle, and long-term wealth creation. For many international investors, the biggest surprise isn't what Steyn City offers, is that a place like that exists at all. I'm the Property Boot. Please see the link below for opportunities currently available.